In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust, so your team has the right level of access without overexposing sensitive data. First, look to the top right of your Pipedrive screen and click your profile icon. It may appear as your avatar or initials. From the dropdown, select Manage Users. You'll need the appropriate admin rights to see and change these settings. So if the option isn't available, check with your account administrator. Inside the Manage Users area, head over to the Permission Sets tab. This is where Pipedrive groups all the rules that control what users can view, create, edit, delete, or export. Think of a permission set as a template for a job function. Once you define it, you can apply it to multiple users for consistent access control. Next, choose whether to edit an existing permission set or create a new one. Editing is great if you're refining an established workflow. Creating a new set is ideal when onboarding a new team, a partner group, or a special project that needs tighter controls. Give the set a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance later on. In the editor, you'll see a list of permissions you can check or uncheck. These typically cover areas like deals, contacts, activities, pipelines, reporting, and data exports. Enable the options your team truly needs, and disable anything that goes beyond their daily responsibilities. A useful best practice is to start with the least access required, and add more only when necessary. This helps prevent accidental edits, data leaks, or confusion about who can do what. While you're here, assign users to the selected permission set. This links your rules to real people, ensuring they immediately inherit the capabilities you've defined. If you're updating a live team, consider a brief heads up so they know what to expect. When you're confident in the configuration, apply or save your changes to lock them in. That's it. You clicked your profile icon and opened Manage Users, went to the Permission Sets tab, edited or created the right set, customized the toggles that match your workflow, and added the appropriate users. With those changes in place, your account stays organized, your data is safer, and your team can work efficiently with the access they genuinely need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more secure Pipedrive setup.